Hello everyone, and welcome to another Eleonex interview. Today we have a very special guest, Dario, a trader who recently achieved a payout of 15.7 thousand and came all the way from Croatia to our studio to share his trading journey. Today we're going to talk about his trading story, his beginnings, the challenges he faced, trading psychology, trading discipline, strategy. Also, we're going to talk about his experience with Eleonex, which includes his recent payout and the reward process, which I've heard was completed extremely quickly. Dario, welcome.
Very quickly. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure is all ours.
Pleasure is mine.
So Dario, our community is very young, is very ambitious, performance-oriented. So let's start from the very beginning. I would like to ask you, how did you come across prop trading space? What attracted you initially to it?
Well, first of all, my name is Dario. I come from Croatia. I'm 25 years old. I've been into the trading world for around four years, I believe. I stumbled across trading through internet, social media, forums, mostly people talking about crypto and Forex. And it started, when I looked at the charts, everything looked so easy, right? Yeah, I thought it was all about buying low, selling high, but everything fell down very short after the first losses, and I realized it's all about a skill, and if you gamble, the market will punish.
Thank you very much for sharing your progress, right? During the process of yours, from the moment that you came across trading, you started learning, right? You took some trades, you learned, right? Was there any point during that process when you were like, okay, either I'm gonna totally focus on this, or I'm just gonna simply quit?
Definitely. Definitely there were moments after which I changed my focus and focused on discipline, mostly, which was my main issue, emotion as well, and risk management. And once I got all of that sorted and actually had the control over the things, things escalated very quickly, in a good way, of course.
Great, great, good for you. Now, based on your learning curve, everything that you've learned so far, based on your mistakes that you just mentioned, how would you describe your trading style today?
Much calmer, definitely calmer. Not every trade is supposed to be took. It took me a long time to actually acknowledge it. What I'm doing now is that I take high quality steps. I make my analysis, I get my confirmations, and if there's no opportunity, I simply don't trade. The best trades are the ones that you don't take. And it took me a very long time to realize that. Yeah, very long.
Great, great. If that's what you took as a message from your journey, and it works for you, we're happy that it works.
Yes, yes, of course. Yeah.
Great. So, as you were trying to find your way throughout the market, right? Combining the stress that it comes, just being present in it, spending time thinking about it, doubting yourself, and learning again. Where did you find yourself in terms of the markets? An asset, do you trade many assets, or you trade one asset at a time? So if you don't mind.
Of course. So regarding the asset, just like everybody, I wanted to be everywhere. Right, yes, I wanted to trade all of it. And through the losses and through the time that I've spent, I've learned that you have to focus on one thing. And for me, that is gold.
Gold?
Yes, I've been completely focused on gold, mainly due to the volatility that it gives me and the control. And what I do, I just prepare my analysis. I start off in the London session and then head over to the New York session. And yes, and I wait. And sometimes if I don't see any clear indicators, I don't trade, and I keep my focus on that.
Great, great. So that's very interesting because, like you said yourself, and from my experience, when I just started managing accounts, you usually get accounts, right, from the guys like you, right? People that just getting into it.
Yeah.
They heard it from their friend. They've stumbled across YouTube video education,
Yes.
whatever, right? And what is very common is that all of them, at the beginning, very beginning, think they have to be in the market all the time.
Exactly. Yes.
So what's your take on that?
Just like you said it, you really don't have to be. And overreacting and overtrading is a thing that's gonna pull you down the most. Revenge trading, like that's what we call it. My take on it is that you simply have to calculate yourself and control it and make sure you're not doing it because it will pull you down.
I see. Yeah. So it's part of a trading cycle.
Definitely.
Psychology.
Psychology. 80-90% of trading is psychology. You can literally say it, 80 to 90. And if you can't control yourself and the emotions, you won't be making much. Yeah.
Emotions. You mentioned a very important thing, emotions. How do you manage emotions in real time?
So at first, when you lose a couple of trades, right? When I was just starting out, I would immediately go again into the market and repeat the same mistake. And in order for those mistakes not to happen, as I've said, best trades sometimes are the one you don't take, right? And if you handle emotions properly and accept the losses, sometimes those losses are gonna stop at that given moment and you'll be able to recover. If you don't, you're gonna just continue and it's not gonna be taking you too far.
I understand. Revenge trading.
Revenge trading.
So that's another thing that I see that a lot of traders are struggling with. Revenge trading, which you've mentioned, and I believe you had the same issue, right?
Yes, definitely. Same issue. I wanted to recover fast, but it's not like that. Simply, it is not. Yeah.
And what's the biggest? Again, if we talk to traders out there, they're your age, maybe younger. They have ambition to achieve what you're doing right now. You're living their dream. What do you think? What's the most common mistake they make, and how should they avoid it?
First of all, I would like to say the three magic words, which is don't chase money, simply. And
great thing. You gotta say that.
And if you trade by that rule, you're not gonna be ending up in positions and scenarios where you're gonna be just, continuously entering the losses and trying to recover, because simply the market will punish you on that side, and you have to we have to follow the strategy and the patience and stay focused on what you're trying to do. Yeah.
Great. So have the right setup, know your time, know your daily routine, proper risk management.
Definitely.
In advance, prepare for the wars, right?
Of course.
So, but don't go into revenge trading, over trading.
Yes.
Because it's a snowball effect.
Exactly, yeah.
And it doesn't matter how I saw that on trading floors. I saw very experienced people, institutional traders would get into that mindset, and you see a sudden change on their faces. You can see it.
Yes, exactly.
You can see it, and they would pretty much go nuts, and the worst performing days were the ones when they couldn't just kind of, stay away from it, just accept the losses, and which is, again, traders, it's part of the journey. Only the ones who made it or in the progress of making it, like Dario, know it.
Yes, don't take it personally. Those little losses, they have to come by.
that's the thing. Don't take it personally. It's business at the end of the day.
It's business. You gotta win some, you lose some. But
Exactly. Exactly. Now, I would like to talk about your experience with our prop firm, Eleonex. We are a very young prop firm, and you came across, and in less than a month, you've achieved a payout of 15.7 thousand. So I would like to ask you, what is your experience from the whole moment when you bought a challenge? Past, you went with a two-step challenge.
Two-step, yeah.
Yeah. Phase 1, phase 2 got funded, which is extremely unusual for traders your age that do not come from a, let's say, financial background, that type of calmness is learned.
In a hard way, yes.
Exactly.
Very, yeah.
So, based on what we saw from statistics, how would you describe your experience in terms of the reward and the whole journey so far with us?
So pretty much I was looking for a platform where I could completely focus on trading. Market is enough, and market is gonna produce enough of a stress. You do not even need or have any room for any other issues, and that's where I found Eleonex, right? Everything is straightforward regarding the rules and the payouts and everything else, and it's an environment where you can really focus on what you're doing. After completing the challenges and this two-step and very calmly going through everything, also came the payout, which is why I'm here over today. Also, very quick and very transparent, and yeah, that's what pulled me. Transparency. Transparency. That's what I can say. In one word.
I appreciate that. I appreciate that because that's something that we see that this industry was missing, which is transparency, support. We tend, as you've experienced, when you open an account, to even reach out to you and ask you whether you're open for a call, to go through all of the rules, explain you how they work, right?
Yes.
So instead of just, hey, I'm going in and I want to do this and that. No, we really care about that, and that's the part of the job that we have to deliver to each and every trader in order to be in an environment that you're speaking about, right? Because just imagine the stress that you're going through, right?
Exactly, yeah.
And on top of that, you're having troubles with technology, et cetera, et cetera. So we're very happy that your experience so far was very, very positive with us. And honestly, I'm looking forward to be seeing what you're going to achieve in the foreseeable future. And I would like to ask you one thing. If you started from the zero again, what would you do?
I would definitely work on my calmness. I would work on the strategy and learning from my mistakes, so to say. That's a very important aspect of returning to your results, bad ones, good ones as well, and to learn from it and to actually stay focused on that and not just join the market whenever I can. That's what I would like, and for the future, I would like to continue in that way and stay positive and stay confident.
Stay confident. If you could give an advice with 3 words, the traders that are trying to achieve the results or make a living from prop trading, what would that be? You have 3 words. You don't have to answer immediately.
It is going to be, don't chase money.
Wow.
Don't chase money.
Guys, you heard that? That's very, very wise.
Yes.
Don't chase money because if you have the set of skills necessary to attract the money, it will come sooner than later.
Yeah.
Which brings me to the last question of this amazing interview. In a year from now, where do you see yourself?
I see myself on a very simple road, so to say, keeping it simple, focusing on the strategy. As I said, simple strategy, simple set of rules, simple schedule, and just focusing on the trade.
Great. And I would like to add one more thing: consistency.
Consistency.
Consistency, consistency, consistency,
Consistency, yeah.
all the way. So, which we saw from your trades, from the moment that you took upon the challenge through both phases of the evaluation and so far on the funded account. That's my take. If somebody would ask me what kind of trader Dario is, I would say consistent. And Dario, I would really like to express the gratitude for you taking the time, traveling from Croatia to our studio in Belgrade to share your journey. It's been a pleasure. And again, we're looking forward to see your next chapter with us.
You definitely will. The pleasure is mine. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Pleasure was all ours. Guys, this was Dario's story. If you enjoyed the video, follow Eleonex for more real trader stories around the globe. I'll see you in the next video.